Hello, this is Eric Bobrow, and in this ArchiCAD quick tip video tutorial, I'll show you how you can save time using keyboard shortcuts to change geometry and construction methods right on the fly. A question came in recently from Mathieu in my ArchiCAD coaching program saying that he liked the way that I showed in some earlier tutorials how you could place a door on the fly one direction or another. You could choose it right on the fly, whereas in later versions you have to choose before doing the insertion. What he meant is if you have a door, and this is in ArchiCAD 16, and I go to place it, I can choose, is it going up this direction or that direction, left or right or top or bottom here, and then get the door placed. Whereas in ArchiCAD 17 or later, I'm in ArchiCAD 20 here, when I hover over this you can see that the door is in the wrong orientation, this corner that I'm about to click on, and I have to go up, manually change the anchor point, and then go back down. Now it turns out that you can change the anchor point on the fly by using the G key on your keyboard. When I hit G, you notice how it flips through all three anchor points. So look up here as I do this, and you'll see how it gives me those choices. Now this works for other tools, of course. If I go to the window tool, and let's say that I wanted to put it in the center of this room, I can hit the G key and get it to where it's the right orientation. If I go to the wall tool and am starting to draw a wall, I can do a single wall or multiple walls. So for example, if I wanted to draw a box of walls, I can hit the G key and that'll flip me into the geometry method for the box. Now I can keep clicking on this and you can see how it cycles through all of those different geometry methods. There, if I go past the one that I want, I can hit the Shift G. So hold down Shift key and go back to there. Now when I'm drawing, if I do have this set up for a single line here, you can see that the face of the wall can be changed. So right now it's on outside face. If I type in C, it'll flip to the center line or to the inside face, and depending on whether you're using a composite or a simple wall, it'll have either 3 choices or 5 choices for that, and so I can specify which one I want this to be. Here's the outside face. Now if you wanted to control this, say if I was going out here, let me just do the G key like this, I'm going to do multiple walls. You'll see that sometimes the face I want to flip, so I can use that option there. There's no keyboard shortcut for flipping that face right now that I've been able to find, but using that, of course, is important to be able to specify that the outside face is what I'm drawing along this direction. Now, by the way, if you wanted to clean this up, remove part of this outside wall, hold down the Command or Control key, depending on whether you're on Mac or PC, and you'll get the scissors, and then you can quickly just remove a piece of a linear element between intersecting elements like this. Now if I go to the Slab Tool, I can switch at any point. Say for example I'm doing this, if I had this in the box method like this and realize, oh wait a second, I need to do a polygon, I can use the G key to switch between these, and so now I can go and click all of these points like this here. Now let me go and undo this, because there is a shorter cut for this. By holding down the space bar, I get the magic wand and I can click, and this will create a trace of the outside. Now if I am doing this slab tool, you'll notice that the reference plane here in ArchiCAD, I think S18 and later, has the option of putting it in where the height, the elevation, is at the top or the bottom, so whatever elevation I choose can be top or bottom here. So we can change that using the C key. So the C key will affect the reference plane location. Now if I'm in the roof tool and I do this here, you'll see G goes between single plane and multiplane roofs, and C flips between construction methods here. So I invite you to play around with the G key and the C key to see what they do in different tools, because it'll save you a lot of time as you're working in ArchiCAD. I hope you enjoyed this ArchiCAD quick tip video tutorial and find it useful in your ArchiCAD work. For more ArchiCAD tutorials, check out my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Eric Bobrow. If you'd like my personal assistance on ArchiCAD related questions, please consider joining my ArchiCAD coaching program. You'll find complete information at bobrow.com/coaching. This has been Eric Bobrow. Thanks for watching.